Yo, what's poppin' gang? What's poppin' gang? Welcome back to First Time Effects, home of blues, guys. Another episode, and today I'm going to give you another powerful tip that keeps me going, guys, when I'm doing or when I'm in a trade, right? So stick around. If this is the first time you're watching this video, kindly stick around, or maybe this is the first time you just came across this late channel, guys. Please stick around because this channel is always late, guys. Alright, we do talk about forex in depth and forex analysis, technical analysis mostly, right? Okay, so guys, today I'm going to talk about this thing, right? The composure, right? The psychological part of the forex market. How what I do when I'm in a trade, right? So guys, when I do take a trade, guys, I usually stay calm. Why? Why do I stay calm, or why am I always relaxed when I'm in a trade, whether I'm in a drawdown or in a profit? Why do I don't cut my trade, or take my profit early enough, right? So the main reason, guys, is because number one, I use the best lot size, right? I don't just use big lot size to take my trade. That's now falling under the risk management part of it, right? So anytime I do take my entry, let's say I do take my buy entry, guys, but then I just have to use the smallest lot size possible. So anytime I take a loss, at least, right, I can manage, or I can deal with that, right? So that's the opposite part of it, guys, that when you do take your entry, then but then you use a bigger lot size, so maybe a 2 pip drawdown, or maybe a 5 pip drawdown, 10 pip drawdown, you will be seeing big numbers, right? So that means you'll be panicking. But then when you do use a smaller lot size, anytime you are in a drawdown, you won't panic, because at the end of the day, those numbers are really tiny, right? They're really tiny, so you can't panic. So you just remain composed and you will be relaxed, right? Another thing, guys, is I usually trade with the trend. I go with the trend, guys, right? So let's say the market is giving us higher high and higher low, right? But then you do take a sell entry, so I have to panic, guys, because at the end of the day, I'm in the wrong side of the market, right? I'm trading against the big boys, of which is the worst mistake you can ever do, trading against the trend, right? The market is going up, but then you are selling. But then what if the market is giving us new highs and new lows, and then the highs are getting broken, but then you do take a buy, you go with the flow, the big boys. So anytime I see a pullback or a drawdown, guys, I'm just relaxed, because sometimes I'm in a market, guys, I've taken a buy, but then I see the market coming down. I usually go back, then sit, then start laughing, then say, okay, who are these pairs? Who are these people trying to sell? Are they really aware that the market is going up, right? So I do laugh at those people, because I know at the end of the day, the market has to go to the direction which it was supposed to go, right? Generally, we are in uptrend. So who are these trying to sell? We will come for you, and that's when we will take your money, right? So that's why you need to be relaxed, guys, when taking these trades, right? So knowing that you are in the right direction with the boys, guys, the big boys, that means, guys, you should be relaxed. So whatever happens, let's say, like I was talking about the drawdown, when that drawdown is happening, maybe you should go back to the lower time frame, then I try to understand what's happening, right? Then you will see a bigger picture. Now when you go back to the lower time frame, guys, it's when you will see more structures being formed, right? Then now you add that to your advantage, and then you just identify those structures. I've been talking about those structures every day in my previous videos. Identify those structures. Then after the structures are broken, guys, you need to take another entry. Call it scaling in, right? Another reason why I'm usually relaxed when in a trade is because, guys, I've already done my analysis, guys, from the higher time frame, right? That's it, guys. Just be relaxed, okay? And then for example, this is NZD card, guys. This is NZD card. You can see, guys, over here. This is the same trade I've been holding, guys, for the last 3, or for the, guys, My take profit was almost smashed. Let me see. Price missed my take profit 20 piece, but then no problem. It has to hit it. It has. Alright? Either way, that's amazing. I did analyze this entry. You guys should watch my previous video before this major movement, guys. The reason why I did take the entry. Guys, you look at my chart, very clean. Nothing. No indicators, no nothing, guys. Right? Just understanding the price action. That's the better part of it, right? Now, when you are in the right trend, guys, let's say like for example this trade, the reason why I was that relaxed and I was still holding on to that despite all the pullbacks for the last 2 days, guys, is I did analyze from the higher time frame. So another point, guys, make sure you know the general trend or what the higher time frame is doing. All right, now when you understand what the higher time frame is doing, no matter the noise that's happening in the lower time frame, you should relax, because at the end of the day we will go to where we're supposed to be, right? So despite all that, that's it, almost hitting take profit. And then, guys, I remember my previous video yesterday, the previous video that I did upload was how's the JPY. I did smash that take profit eye in the morning. Okay, here we go. Okay, let me show you this. Let's go back to the 1 hour. Let's go back to the 1 hour. Okay, this is Aussie against the JPY. Okay, I've already closed this trade. Despite all, of course, my take profit was this, but then I just decided to close it because I used a bigger lot size. Of course, I've talked about that, about using a bigger lot size, but then the reason why I used a bigger lot size on this Aussie is because I was really in profit in the NZD card. Okay, so NZD card was really in profit. So despite all, I had no drawdown, guys. I had no drawdown because the NZD profit had already taken care of the drawdown of the Aussie JPY. In fact, Aussie JPY just gave me a 5 pip drawdown, but then I did close $300 profit. Yeah. Okay, here we go. That is 33 pips. Yeah, I did close at $300 because I used one low size. In fact, there was 0.23 5 times. Okay, so that's what's up. Okay, so like I say, I could not hold on to this trade, guys, because I really used a bigger low size. So look at this. Now price has pulled back. All right, 30 pips with a lot size of 1 is great. Okay, so USD ZAR. I've been holding this joint from last week. Then now I can now see price has already started playing out. Okay, now it wants to go to the direction that it has to go to. Okay, all right. Easy game. You just identify the structures, but then now after identifying that, now the market has already broken those structures, guys. I've been talking about this technical analysis in a previous video. Kindly watch the previous videos, right? And then you'll understand in depth what I'm talking about, right? So anytime you've seen that's what's up, just have to relax. Okay, I hope you guys are blessed. So maybe if you find this interesting, guys, kindly smash the subscribe button, guys, right? So if you have any question, guys, feel free to drop in the comment box below, and then I believe this is the end of the video. So until next time, man, adios amigos.